Hello, welcome to see my video of my new product, Autofold Turning Single Eye. Let's check this material first. All this material made by CNC aluminum material. It is very strong and very durable. And about this light, you can change to any light. You can change universal for most of motorcycle, universal. And then there is a very good function of my new product. The good function, the very cool function is autofold. Autofold. When you start your motorcycle, the light will be out and flash 2 times. When you close your motorcycle, the light will be back and flash 1 time. So let's check. Now I start my motorcycle, the light will be out. Start, the light will be out. Close, the light will be back. Start, the light will be out. Close, stop. Especially when you start your motorcycle in the crowd. I believe everybody will be surprised and say, wow, it's very cool. Not only it can forward and for back and for out, not only, but also they are also waterproof. Waterproof. So let's check. Okay, they are also Pro Autofold. Not any problem, as you can see. It is waterproof, no problem. Yeah. So now, let's buy a nut and let your motorcycle to be very cool and let everybody to be very surprised. Let them to say, wow, it is very cool. Okay, thank you.